Arya, Radish. Radish is absent today also. What happened to him? Did you see him?
Yes, sir. I saw him near his house just brushed his teeth.
Oh, very unfortunate. Okay, let us start our class. Rashmi, look at the picture. Can you tell something about this picture?
This is the picture of a beautiful garden. It's a beautiful picture. Two boys are playing with football. A girl reading a book. A boy is sitting under the tree. Some many hills. It's a beautiful picture.
Okay, very good. Today class are over. After several years.
Why are you so sad, Yadish?
Friends, I did not get any job yet. I attended so many interviews but failed. I would not perform well. I could not speak in English fluently.
We have got jobs in reputed IT companies and we are getting nice salary. Don't worry, Yadish. Our life is safe now. Studying English very well and attend next interview confidently. You also will get job.
Friends, I regret my mistake. All those are because I neglected English, give less importance to it. English is international language.
The study of English language in this age of globalization is essential.
English is the most important language of communication among different countries.
In Indian, people of different states have one language.
English language has come as a connecting link among various countries.
Thank you.